After a truck accident, Freeburn fights for you.
When hurt in a serious truck accident, you can't rely on trucking companies or their insurance carriers to do what's right. I'm Greg Freeburn. When the worst happens, don't try to do it alone. You need experienced lawyers on your side. If you've been injured by a big truck, call Freeburn Hamilton. We know what's at stake for you and your family, and we'll fight to get you the money that you deserve. Because your fight is our fight.
Freeburn fights for you. Call the Sevens today.